Hi everyone, my name is Achal Jadhav and my topic name is Circular Flow of Money in Economy and the subject is Managerial Economics. So let's start with the introduction. Here is the introducer name. It was Frank Heinemann Knight and his born date is 7th November 1885. Place of the birth is United States. He is died on 15th April 1972. He was introduced this concept in 1933 and the publication of the Economics Organization. So this is the short introduction. Then here is the meaning. The circular flow model demonstrates how money moves through society. Money flow from producer to worker as a wages and flow back to producer as a payment for product. In short, an economy is an endless circular flow of money. So this is the meaning. Then next is here is the diagram of circular flow of money in economy. So this diagram we are going to see in detail. So explanation of diagram here. There are two market are in the diagram. The first one is factor market and product market. The factor market we also called as a input market and the product market we also called as a output market. And in this diagram there are two sectors are there, which is household and firms. Household we also call consumer sector and firms we also call as a producing sector. So let's see the terms in details. So here explanation of diagram here continuing here. And the factor market, it means that companies buys the factor of production or the resources they need to produce their goods and services. Company buy these productive resources in return for making payment at factor prices. This market is also referred to as a input market. Then next one is product market. Product market, it is a place where goods and services bought and sold. The demand for the product are comes from household, and this market is also referred to as a output market. Then next one is uh, household sector. It is that sector the aggregate microeconomic macroeconomic sector that includes the entire wants and needs and satisfying the population of the economy. The primary economic role of household sector is consumption. Member of the household sector also own all the factor of production, all the resources. So this is the household sector. Then next one is firm sector. Firm sector, in it means that in business, the business sector or corporate sector, sometimes popularly called as a simply business, is the part of the economy made up by the companies. The primary sector, it means that producing raw material. The secondary sector, it means that carrying out manufacturing. The tertiary sector, it means that providing sales and goods. So this is the firm sector. So here is the factor of productions are there, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So let's see, the first one is land. Land says that it refers to all the natural resources. All natural resources either on the surface of the earth or below and above the surface of the earth is land. Payment for land is rent. Then next is labor. Labor, it is that all the human efforts that assist in production. In labor, these efforts is labor. These efforts can be mental or physical. It is a human factor of production and the payment for the labor is wages. Then third one is capital. Capital refers to the all man-made resources used in manufacturing, used in production process. It is produce factor of production and the payment for the capital is interest. And the last one is factor of production is that entrepreneur. It means an entrepreneur, he is a person who bring other factor of production in one place. He uses them for the production process, and he is a person who decide what to produce, where to produce, how to produce. It is that, and then the payment for the entrepreneur is profit. So thank you so much.